And let's see what else we got. We did some of the analyze, okay? Let's go back into here. Let's go up here. Now, you're probably going to want to do some basic modeling, maybe if you have a 2D drawing brought in, or if you have some geometry that you created, some basic geometry. You can use that geometry to create some basic shapes. So in this case, I'm going to create the solid model that you saw over here. If you see this, we had an extruded solid. Let's go back over there. So basically, I'm just going to go up. I'm going to select this geometry. I'm going to hold the control key down to double select. So I've got that. And I'm just going to go in and select these circles real quick. I don't want to extrude the points. The points are valuable if you want to do some drilling. You don't have to use circles and arcs to drill with. Okay, so I got that selected. Let's go to the solid modeling tab. We're going to go to simple extrude. You'll see that you can see it extruding upward. And I'm just going to put 1.5 as the distance. So if I enter 1.5, obviously that's a positive number, so it's going to be extruding in the positive Z. So I'm just going to press enter. Come on. Okay, so let's escape out of that. So you see now that I've got a solid model. And it's red because it was drawn on the default layer that those curves were on. So basically what I'm getting at is you can do some basic modeling. I mean, this is a nice solid model. The integrity of this model is exactly the same as you saw in Rhino, okay?